Hello traders, and welcome to the VantagePoint Trading Journal for today, Tuesday, August 28th, 2018. Hope your Tuesday's going well. We're going to show you how VantagePoint has been forecasting market movements and show you what you need to pay attention to. So we are concentrating on Fastenal, ticker symbol FAST. We see that we've had this basically for the last, since the beginning of August, we've had this run up. We've seen unable to continue to make new highs. We've seen the weakness, and then today, or excuse me, 2 days ago, we got the bearish crossover. We have the predicted range lower than yesterday's actual range, and we see the neural index solidly in the red. All those things are pointing to the downside for me. So if you're a stock trader selling anywhere around the $59 mark, that'll be prudent. Remember to always put in a buy stop somewhere in this neighborhood. Around 60 bucks would get that done for you. If you are looking at a play potentially in options, the one to consider, we don't have weeklies in Fastenal, but going out to September regular, which is September 21st, looking at the 55-57.5 put spread, buying that for 50 cents, that would be a way to get in. If you get into that, you're getting a 4-to-1 reward to risk. Very, very healthy reward to risk. In these times, you want to have a pretty balanced portfolio. So adding, I know it's always kind of the default thing to look for bullish signals, which is great. But if you're looking to balance out your portfolio with a couple shorts in there, this would be a great way to add to that portfolio. That's all I have for you today. We'll talk to you later on in the week. Good luck, and we'll catch you next time.